Coffee, ew. Ugh, she's nasty. Oh my goodness. Coffee is trying to eat the wall. Coffee, go eat Ashley. Jeez. Coffee. What is it, Daddy? What are you trying to say? Really? Oh, man! Get out of the window! Coffee. My puppy and me! My puppy. She's stupid. How's Coffee your favorite puppy? She's your only puppy. Oh my god. Did you forget about Brooklyn? No.